In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a template in Shopify. This is a handy skill to know if you're customizing your online store and need to make adjustments to your theme's templates. Let's dive right into the process and get your template renamed with ease. First, you'll want to start at your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, navigate to the menu on the left side of your screen and look for the option labeled Online Store. Once you locate it, click on it. This will expand another menu underneath it, and you'll now see an option for themes. Click on Themes, and this will bring you to the page where all your theme settings are managed. Here, you can see a list of all the themes you may have installed on your Shopify store. Next, look for the theme that contains the template you want to rename. Beside your current active theme, you'll find a button with 3 dots, also known as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on this button, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down list, select Edit Code. This selection will open up the Code Editor, a vital tool in Shopify where you can access all the files that make up your theme. Once you're in the Code Editor, your next step is to locate the folder specifically labeled Templates. You'll find this folder listed on the left panel within the Code Editor, alongside other folders and theme files. Click on the Templates folder to open it, and take a look at the list of template files it contains. Now, identify the specific template file you want to rename from the list. Once you've found it, click on its name. When you do that, a pencil icon should appear next to your selected file name. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon. This will trigger a dialog box to pop up. In the Rename File dialog, you'll see a field labeled File Name. This is where you can input the new name for your template. Be sure to enter your desired name carefully, ensuring there are no spelling mistakes or unnecessary spaces, as these could cause functionality issues on your website. After you've entered the new template name, proceed by clicking the Rename File button, and just like that, your template will be renamed successfully. Pro tip: before renaming any templates, it's a good idea to back up your theme or duplicate the theme. Renaming template files can sometimes cause unintended effects, especially if the template name is hard-coded into certain parts of your theme's liquid files or app integrations. By creating a backup, you ensure that you can revert to the original version if needed. If you're planning to make multiple changes to your theme or frequently rename templates, consider using Shopify's theme developer tools. These tools offer enhanced functionality for managing templates and theme files, making it easier for you to navigate and make bulk changes, all while maintaining a smooth workflow. Please keep in mind that renaming template files can sometimes lead to issues with your store if not done correctly. Therefore, it's always a good idea to proceed with caution and double-check your work. Also, after renaming, be sure to test your store thoroughly to ensure everything is working as expected, especially pages that rely on the renamed templates. And that's all there is to it. Remember, if you're renaming other theme files, not just templates, you can easily right-click on any file and select Rename from the drop-down menu. If you have any custom apps or integrations that rely on your templates, make sure to update their references with the new template name to avoid any conflicts. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'd love to hear how you're customizing your Shopify store. Thanks again, and happy customizing your Shopify store.